Let's do this. Let's give ourselves more time because I feel like we're struggling.
It's a banana. Cool. I could
What
go
has he gone
literal
for?
with this, but that would be stupid.
It would be interesting.
Oh, I am drawing in white. Whoops. Okay.
Were you actually?
Okay. I was by accident, yeah.
Huh?
There you go. You're very close. You're on the right track. No. But it's on the dartboard, I say that.
Oh. Now can Zach spell it? Oh, I can.
Yeah.
There we go.
The answer to that question is usually no.
But today wasn't an exception.
Asha Blange.
How the fuck am I meant to draw vegetarian? Alright,
Just draw the word idiot. No, I'm kidding. Veggies are alright. It's the pushy vegans I don't like. Or pushy anyone, actually. Anyone pushy's a dick. It's a line. Sweet. It's a hat, but upside down. Oh, it's a bucket.
Are you gonna type these down, or are you just gonna go? Is there a thing? Is this? Is there a...
This is a bucket. Dear God, there's more. No, gentlemen, I have come. No, okay.
No, no, thank you. Not in my video.
I know a guy called Bongo Pete.
Hey, there you go.
Hello, Howard. Do you like my bongos?
Nice and freshly squeezed, please.
I could have gone with Cerberus, but I decided this was nicer.
I don't even know what that is, so I would
It's
not have
the
got
three-headed wolf in mythology that guards hell.
that. Oh, okay, cool. That's pretty metal, actually.
And it's pretty fucking metal, isn't it? Illuminati! No, I'm kidding.
It's a triangle.
No, it's a square, you fuckwit.
It's a square.
No, you're right the first time, you keen. It's a small off-duty Czechoslovakian traffic warden.
What in the fuck? What? Huh?
Nope. No, that's a bit overcomplicated, that, actually. Give it a little window for him to peek out of.
What the fuck?
Oh, that's way too big. You're close.
How am I close?
Just this'll help.
Ah!
This needs putting down.
It does, doesn't it? It does look a little bit cursed. Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
Right, yeah? There you go.
Yep! That poor fucking thing I drew.
That poor abomination of a bird is like, kill me, please!
I'm in constant pain. I'm in constant.
Suffering, please!
And my palm.
Please!
Kill me. It's a banana. It's a small off-duty Czechoslovakian traffic warden. Yes, Creighton, what's this? I don't know why I make Lister Scottish. I can't really do Scouse very well anymore. Yeah, Clayton, what is this? Nah, Scottish as well. Fuck. It's a bridge.
I am not searching it up so I can draw it better. Bear with me. Oh fuck, I've done it wrong. Oh well, whatever. I'll roll with the punches. Ah, you know what? That's not so bad.
Zach, can you hear me?
Uh-huh.
Okay, good. My thing unplugged. I'm still having some technical issues.
Holy fuck, I'm coming.
Hear me now.
Yes, I can hear you.
What are you drawing?
Something.
I nearly put hot doge.
I don't really know how to help you, unfortunately. I'm really trying here.
I don't even know what the fuck it's supposed to be. It's just like a big splodge.
No, I fucked it!
Sahara Desert? Like...
Well, you are kind of far off, but you're not outside the ballpark completely. It's difficult to explain. You're gonna understand a bit better, I think, when you...
Grand Canyon.
Oh,
Gotcha.
see? Army.
Okay, I promise this one won't look as bad. the
It's
last
not
one.
gonna have a demonic looking fucking abomination of a bird. Oh no, it is. I can see the arms being drawn out as we speak. No, please. I thought I was dead. Kill me.
Don't
Stop.
bring me back!
It was bad enough the first time. What have you done to me? Jesus, dude, this fucking poor bird. Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna give him red wings.
One
For
red
his
and
trouble.
one indigo.
Yeah, fuck it, why not?
To really
Oh, that's great.
fuck this bird up, just really ruin its life.
Oh no!
Yes, it's perfect. This poor fucking bird.
But the color scheme does matter for the kind of bird it is.
Well, I don't know what birds are what, so that doesn't really help. Retarded bird. That's the type of bird I'm guessing.
What's a kind of bird? I can't breathe! I can't fucking breathe! I can't get it out of my head. I'm gonna dream about it now.
You'll see those poor lifeless eyes in your in your nightmares tonight, my dude.
Yeah, I had a mouth, a nose, and a beak. Okay. I like how we can still have our dying stomach laughing fits across countries. Oh my god!
Draw a circle correctly. I'm laughing too much. Oh my god! Oh, I've accidentally done the same thing. Wait. Jesus Christ! All right. Oh my god! Don't make me laugh. I'm trying to concentrate.
King,
Oh my fucking god!
oh, my stomach hurts so much. Right, let's do another one. One more. Let's see what other abortions we can come up with. Oh, don't say that in America.
Holy shit! Holy fucking shit! All right, let's do this.
If it hadn't been for the G at the end of that word, I would have said Bart Simpson, by the way.
Oh, brilliant. I can't fucking breathe. Holy shit.
This one you're gonna have to really think.
Oh my god. Huh?
This is a reference.
That no one will get.
Yep.
Including me, apparently. It's all orange.
It's Marx! Even the wallpaper is Marx!
Oh yeah, there you go, I got it. Yeah. It took one fucking guess.
Brilliant.
Oh.
That was a very, very old meme brought back from the dead, screaming, "Please kill me!
Stop making me laugh! I'm trying to draw!
My mouth doesn't match my beak!
Kill me, please!
Why is one purple?
Please, kill me! Please!
What? Oh my god.
Oh, fuck me.
What madman would allow this crime against God to exist? Crime against nature, this affront to God. Pencil. Crayon. Crayon? Oh my god, it was a crayon. Fuck.
Yep.
I am.
Are you gonna fucking guess it or what?
They don't call me the bus for nothing.
No, they don't call you the bus at all, actually.
Yes, they do. Fuck you. Oh, wrong colour.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I can't
you
get
know
that
what?
fucking bird out of my fucking head.
That is the worst continent I've ever drawn. Right, okay. Just draw the flag instead. I might be about to start a war if I fuck this up.
You good?
I am great. Wait, hang on.
Brother, we have like 60 seconds and then
Oh
the
fuck!
drawing's
Fuck!
over.
I drew them the wrong way as well. Fuck. Okay, and then you need the little. You need all the. Oh, how many are there again? Oh fuck's sake! Fuck! No, the pencil. Shit.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, thank fuck for that.
I wanted to actually, to be honest, I should have left you to it.
To all the Americans, I'm so sorry.
No, don't be sorry. They're idiots. They're the ones
Oh.
that say you should say this with.
Ah, Zach, keeping international relations strong since 1991.
How the fuck am I meant to draw any? You know what? I'm gonna let it pick for me. All right, great, cool. It wanted me to draw husband. That was one of the words.
You could have just said you. You could have just said me.
Whatever. I'm gonna give up.
Bastard. I thought we had something special.
Okay, how the fuck am I meant to? All right. Oh.
With great difficulty is probably the answer.
Oh my god, above, this is so shit. Why?
Excuse me.
So fucking crap. This is. Oh my god, I just got some serious deja vu. It's this specific scenario. I just got some really freaky deja vu. I'm not even kidding. I don't like that.
Oh
at all.
fuck! Shit.
Ah!
Deja vu is just remembering in the wrong direction.
Deja vu. I've just been in this place before.
And in this place before.
You see, there's not much to go off of, so I unfortunately do not know what to do.
What in the fuck? Mr. Tumble's spotty bag! Mr. Tumble's ball bag!
How did you know? Yeah, you're getting some serious food poisoning if you eat that.
Yeah, that does not look edible.
No.
Might
not.
still technically be able be a casserole.
That's what it would look like if Skittles decided to wake up and make a casserole.
Make a casserole. Thank God that's never happened.
Well, you know,
But it could. That's one of the scary things that should scare me if it ever happened.
Yeah.
But
that's what really should keep you up at night. Not that bird's creepy face. It should be.
Oh, I'd forgotten.
Casserole.
Fuck. It's alright. You're about to get another abomination.
No, don't do it. Please. Leave the animal kingdom out of this. Oh no. Here it comes.
Wait, it's not done yet.
Oh.
Wait, it's not finished until I do the thing. Wait, it's not finished until I do the.
I'll just wait for you to do.
I'm giving him arms as well.
Give him wings as well. Give him like 3 tails.
Taking a
He's
shit.
shitting out some black liquid.
What is this, Zach?
Oh, you know, I
It's
really
an
couldn't
affront
tell
to
you,
God.
man. I really don't know. It could be a great many things. None of them nice.
Come on.
I think it's this, right? Yeah. I've had it waiting for a bit. I wanted to see how far you'd go.
Did I go far enough? Are you proud of me?
I got the Grand Canyon again. Fuck off. I genuinely am not. No. Fuck off. All right. Here we go. Oh, this is gonna be great. Holy fuck.
The bus liked the drawing. It's not a phrase I thought I'd see today.
And now we just let that do its thing real quick, and I'll get to the piece of resistance in a second. I just need to do this bit of house DIY and maintenance on the drawing real quick. Don't mind me. Just gotta make this. Oh wait, no, I haven't done it yet, Joe. You ready?
Oh yeah, there you go.
There you go. It's not a complete drawing.
Where's the beak? Where's the beak and the antlers?
Sorry. There you go. There's the beak.
What about the antlers and the wings?
Here you go. There's the antlers. There you go. There's the antlers. Boom.
What the fuck is it supposed to be?
No. The bit that it actually is, I'm about to draw. Okay. Okay. It's not a gun. Okay. That may look like it. Wait, what
It
the...
looks like a very gunny non-gun.
uh, uh.
It's a hairdryer.
Boom. There you go. 3 seconds to spare as well. Well done.
I am the boss. One more.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Alright, fine.